Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the sheet open and edit access. First, confirm ownership or editor rights because you cannot rename another owner's link. Once confirmed, click the blue Share button to reveal the current shared link and permission level. Make sure the sheet's visibility is set to the level you want, restricted, anyone with link, or specific people, because the display name you'll set is tied to that shared link. Start by copying the current link to a safe place before you make changes. Now change the link settings to match your goal. Click Change under Get Link and choose Restricted, anyone with link or specific people. This determines who can access the renamed link. Once visibility is set, adjust permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, so recipients get the correct access. If you use a link shortener or custom domain in your organization, update that here. Renaming works best when the destination permissions are correct. After adjusting, to present a renamed or friendly link, use a URL shortener, workspace redirect, or your organization's custom domain to map the Google Sheets URL to a readable name. Enter the final copied link as the target, choose a short alias, and save. Once done, test the renamed link in an incognito window or another account to ensure permissions behave as expected. If recipients can't access it, make sure sharing isn't restricted, and revoke or update any stale links. That resolves most access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.